In this video, I'll show you how to install the glass spacer on your Meta Quest 3S in case you're wearing eyeglasses like I do and you may want to make it more comfortable. So let's get started. So the first step is to remove the facial interface, this over here, the face cushion. And to do so, in the past models, you just had to push with your thumbs here, but this one, they made this one a bit harder to remove. Okay, take your Quest 3S in this position, okay, and you're gonna pinch with your thumb and your index, just like that, pinch and start pulling. It will unclip it, and most of the time it works. If you don't apply enough pressure, unfortunately, it will not unclip it. But you see, by doing this, you won't break anything. Once you have removed it, take your glass spacer, should look like this. Obviously, the nose part goes here, put it facing down. And now we need to clip it in place. So simply with your thumbs, go all around. And you need to hear some clipping going on. Okay. Here as well, make sure everything looks tight, it's not moving around, it's not flapping around. Perfect. And now it's time to put back the facial interface. Simply align it with the nose part over here. Okay, and now same thing, we're gonna clip it. It seems to have been clipped pretty well. Again, before I start playing, let me just wiggle it a bit, make sure that it's staying in place. All the clips have been clicked and yeah, it looks great. So this is about it. Now you have a bit more space. So when you're using your glasses, just like that, they won't touch the lenses of the Quest 3S if it was the case before. So this is about it. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like. Also check my Amazon affiliate links down below. Also put my Quest referral link in the description. You support my channel this way, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks.